Hi everybody, Mrs. You Lick Me again. You're probably sick of me saying that all the time, but it's Mrs. You Lick Me here again. I'm here to help you with page 35 at home. So you just have questions 1 and 2. It says solve, fill in the blanks to add. So we only have a few blanks here. I'm going to highlight them for you. Okay, and if this helps you at home to highlight, always feel free to use a highlighter because you guys know how much I use highlighters in class. So I always think it makes it visually easier to see. So let's look at number 1. It says 631 plus 368. We're breaking apart our number 631. So we know ones, tens, hundreds. So they already broke it down for us. There are 600s, which makes 600. Plus, what would be next in our expanded form? How many tens are there in 631? There are 3. And 3 tens gives us what? 10, 20, 30. So our first blank would have 30 on it. So 600 plus 30 plus 1, 1. Okay, let's go down to 368. How many hundreds are there in 368? 3. And what does 3 hundreds give us? 300. As you can see, they already broke down the 6 tens into 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, plus 8 ones. Then our final step is to add. So 1 plus 8 equals what? 9. And they already added the tens. 30 plus 60 equals what? 90. Or you can think of it as 6 plus 3 equals 9 and add the 0 on the end. And then 600 plus 300 equals 900. What does 900 plus 90 plus 9 give you? What number? 999. Okay, let's look at number 2. Number 2, the problem is 167 plus 208. Here is a different way of doing it. So here they broke apart our ones. You can see 7 ones because this is our ones column, tens, hundreds. So there are 7 ones in our top number, 8 ones in our bottom number. So 7 ones plus 8 ones equals what? It's just like 7 plus 8. It equals 15 ones. Okay? And if we broke 15 ones down, think about ones and tens. How many tens are there in 15? 1. Good. And what does 110 give you? 10. But we're breaking it down into 110 plus how many ones are there in 15? 5. Okay. Now, let's go to our tens column. Our top number has 6 tens, which gives us 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 is broken down into 6 tens plus 0 ones. And how many tens makes 60? Remember? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 tens gives us 60. And I forgot to add up here, 7 plus 8 we already said is 15, so you would want to put 15 on that line. Okay? Now, let's go down to our hundreds. We know there's 100 in our top number, 200s in our second number. So, what's 100 plus 200s? That would be 300. Okay, 300 makes 300s. If I drew my base 10 blocks, that would be 3 of these. Okay, now let's add our ones. 5 plus 0 gives us 5. Good. 1 plus 6 plus 0 gives us what? 7, and 0 plus 0 plus 3 gives us 3. So our answer is 375. Okay, I hope that helped.